Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here, and welcome to this video. We're going to talk about making money with an easy membership website. I think you're going to dig this one. There's going to be a lot of ideas that I'm going to throw at you here, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So let's jump into it here and take a look. Now, I think you're going to find that this is awesome because one, first and foremost, is that it's easy to set up in ClickFunnels. We're going to jump in there. I like these kind of videos because I get to go and play around in ClickFunnels and have a little fun. So I'll show you how to, all the pieces, the technical side here that we need to make this go. The second thing about this is that there's a lot of different ways that you can deliver your product. And these are the ideas and things that I'm going to talk to you about here. We'll do that first and then we'll go build around. But I'll show you some different ways that you can deliver your product inside a membership website. And the third thing that's awesome is that with membership websites, they kind of lead themselves towards recurring income, which is great because you don't have to go out and sell and sell and sell each month when you've got money coming in guaranteed at the start of the month because you've got your membership website, right? So now, when we're talking about product options, we can do something where we're putting out constant content. Maybe we go and we do some kind of stock analysis and we do a new video each day and then it gets uploaded, but only the people who have access to the membership website get access to those insider stock tip videos, right? Something where you've got constant content coming out all the time. Now, the only downside to that is like sometimes if that thing goes on for a couple years, somebody new comes on and joins this membership site and they're just like overwhelmed with the sheer volume of stuff that's in there and they never actually go through it. So that's kind of a pro and con with the first one. Now, the second one is what I call curated content. So somebody goes out and actually finds good information and literally free videos that are on YouTube and then puts it all inside a membership website and saves people the time and trouble of going find that. Now, my example is some type of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu library where they went and find all these videos that pertain to if you want to learn about this position. If you want to cover this position, here's videos, awesome videos that cover it. And really all you have to do is initially go find the videos. If ever that video disappears or you need to change the link or you find a better video, a better quality video or a better instructional, change out the link that way. But all it is really is just curated content, other people's content, and you're just giving people access to it and really just giving them more convenience than anything. So the third one is what I call the mini course. So with membership websites, people tend to stay on for around 3 months. If you get 6 months, great. If you get a year, you've got a good membership website. But usually it's around 3 months. So if you have some type of mini course, your content is chopped up and delivered in a way, dripped out over your dripped out inside your membership website over the span of approximately 3 months, then you're going to get the same, essentially the same as somebody who would have signed on for that. And you can structure your billing so that these people only get billed 3 times or how many ever times that they stay on for your mini course. Now, the fourth option is that you've got some type of product that you sold in advance and then you're just going to put out a new video each week to fulfill on your product that you've already sold and do it inside a membership website. And the nice thing is that it's easy first and foremost. And the principles that I'm talking about in this video here, as far as this membership website, you can go and there are definitely higher level membership websites, plugins, things for WordPress, applications that you can use membership wise. This is just the one that I know the best. I know that it works. And like I say, it's easy to use. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we are inside of ClickFunnels, and there's really only 4 pages that we need to worry about when it comes to our membership website. So we've got our order page where somebody actually purchases, whips out the credit card, puts in their information, and decides to join your membership website. Now, the next step after that is the offer wall. So after they bought, the wheels finish spinning and the order gets processed. This is the page that they land on that tells them everything went through, you're good to go, here's how to get access, and lets them know all the important information. Now, on that order confirmation page is going to be a link to the next step, which is the membership access page. This is going to take them to a page that allows them to put in a name or put in their email address and choose their password and create their account inside the membership website. So once they pay, they get access to the offer wall, which gives them access to the access page so that they can create their account. And then once they've created their account, they're just going to keep coming back to this page to log in. The membership area is where the actual content is. So I'll show you. Now this one here is fairly large. I've got a lot. If we look inside the membership area, you can see I've got a whole lot. This is a large course that I put together here, but you can do it into different lesson sections, and then you got individual lessons that you can have underneath that. Now on a particular lesson page, when you go into the actual editor here, You can see it's just like a skinny page, essentially. I can put in as much elements and make this as long as I want. I can put another video, a whole another, I could start copying these sections, and I could put as much onto a lesson as I want. But you don't want to have it so people are going and scrolling and scrolling. It's just easier to make a new lesson inside your membership area. Now the great thing is you can restrict access to this. You can have it broken down so that if they took the premium option, they get access to a different portion of the membership website, and you can do that all inside the restricting access. You can set up the drip feed so that lessons only come out, they only get access to one lesson a day, so that people don't go in, gorge themselves on a few first few sections and then never actually complete the course. So that's another nice feature as well inside of here. Now this is, like I say, this is a large one with a lot of stuff into it, but I've also wanted to show you a simpler example here. So this one here is actually a book funnel that I have set up, and it really only uses a few steps. So we've just got the order page, there's an upsell, order confirmation, and then they're inside. Now as far as the book, I could have set it up so that it was delivered on just a thank you page with just a simple link that people could get access to, but I kind of wanted to restrict the access so that people couldn't go and share it around as easily. Once the ebook's downloaded, it's kind of goes from there, but I did want to make it a little bit harder for people. As well, inside the membership area, the great thing is that when we look inside, you can go in and actually put links to the upsells that people passed on if you have upsells in your membership funnel, as well as you can put links to other promotions and other things that you want them to check out as well. So the great thing about this is that it's really easy to work with inside the editor and create your content. This is just going to be, this particular page is just your framework page. So once you go in and make your lessons, it's just going to populate this out. So if we take a look at the preview, so here we can see here's our lesson sections, and then when we expand it, we've got individual lessons inside, things that you can click on, and then it's really simple to go in, add video, work with all the ClickFunnels elements, and build out your membership website. I'll put a link underneath this video. I'll share out this funnel if you want, so that you can go and just throw this funnel right inside your ClickFunnels account and try it out yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe and all the other awesome buttons and things that you can click on underneath a YouTube video. And I will see you in the next video.